We are giving Zinhle, DJ Zinhle, her flowers, but she's like, you know what? I want to do more. I want to do more. And here she explained that she met Sweet Guluva's mom, kind of like they were discussing the, I think, the music journey or their song, you know. So let's hope it's going to go well. And we still thank you, DJ Zinhle, to start this campaign with us to make sure that the boy win the money. Thank you so much, DJ Zinhle. Watch the full video. Here's a full video.
Angibongele nje ngesuccess. I've been thinking ukuthi nje shem sengizosithula nje. Again, I don't think I did anything amazing to this, but I appreciate that you guys appreciate the law that I did for unokwazi bakapost video manje because ukuthi ingoma iphume yini. So Zwane uMakasi Guluva, who I went to school with, behlale domindawonye, can you believe? And I told her ukuthi sinokwazi we have the intention yokurekhoda ingoma and we'd like to move akakaphumi eBig Brother house yet, but angiyanazisa nje ukuthi that's the plan. And we'll do whatever we need to do to help. Bengibuza advice ukuthi bangamsiza kanjani, but I trust that you guys are going to hold him down. But bengifuna congratulations, nisebenzile, niwinile.